Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. I'm going to do the second regression from the packet. This one is about ponies and horses and their height and weight, and they want to see if there's a correlation between the height and weight. And they also want to know the equation. So basically what we're going to do is what we did before. We're going to use a spreadsheet. We're going to enter all these X's, all of these Y's, make sure we got them in there correctly, double check that part. And then you're going to go to the stats. So let me go there. So here, I've already entered those in my calculator. So if you go up all the way, yep, I entered all the data points. So now I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to data statistics, going to put an X down here, put the Y here, and then I am just going to do menu 461, menu 461, boom, there's the equation. Now I'm going to round this to what place? What am I rounding this to? I am rounding this to the nearest hundredth place. And I'm also rounding the correlation to the nearest hundred. So that's 2 decimals. So let's go back and get that. So if you click on this, so the equation is going to be y equals 184. And notice it's 89. You look to the right, it's 2. So you're going to drop all of this. You're going to drop all of these numbers, and then you're just going to keep the x. So it's going to be 184, 89x. And then it's going to be plus negative. And then over here, we have 0.7, and then there's a 1 after it. So we're just going to keep the 0.7. So it's going to be a negative 1706.07. So I'm going to put that 0.07, and that's what it should look like. Now, this is the equation. This would be 2 points if you round it properly. Now we got to get the correlation coefficient. Again, if you click on this, this right here is r squared. We don't want r squared, we want r. So we're going to take the square root of this number, and that's going to give us the correlation coefficient, and we're going to round it to the hundredths place. So, I'm writing down on my paper 0.9703839. That's enough numbers. You don't have to enter all of these. You should enter about 6 or 7 numbers, and then that should be fine. So I am going to go here, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to enter that number. It was 0.9703839. Press enter. So that's the number, and I'm going to take the square root of that number. So I'm just going to go up and copy it. Boom, and then I just press enter. This number right here is the correlation coefficient, and they want us to round it to the hundredths place. So it's going to be 0.98. Look to the right, it's 5 or above, so we're going to give the 8 a shove. So our correlation coefficient is going to be r equals 0.99. That's the correlation coefficient. All right, so if I go back, I can finish this up now. Correlation coefficient, and this is positive, so this is positive, and it's just saying there's a strong positive correlation between the 2 variables, between the height and the weight, between height and weight. That's it. That's what you would do. That's it. This is 1 point rounded. This is 1 point if you say strong positive correlation. That's it, guys. So this is 4 points. I expect us to get at least 3. We should be able to get all of them, to be honest. All right, I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to post it.